Okay, welcome back to part two. I've just eaten. I'm feeling a little bit more refreshed after after the last video. Okay, so let's see. I have another ThredUp box. The last one was dud. The first one was pretty decent. So fingers crossed this is not dud part two. And this is pretty decent part two. This is $40, 10 pounds, men's items, and I did order a women's box at the same time as these two boxes, and that one still hasn't even shipped, whereas these two got here within less than a week. So if you're needing product ASAP and you are open to selling men's, this might be a good option. Also, I did look up only one item from the last box from the last video a couple days ago, and the one item, which was the Redskins jersey, that I thought, oh, this might actually have something. It's probably closer to like 20-25 is what it will sell for. Also, when you remove fees, it's probably closer to like doubling my money on that. But again, for me, it's just important having stuff to list. So anyways, let's open this one. My invoice, I guess I should check and make sure that I'm not lying. Yeah, $40. Yes, okay. Oh, okay, well, already. Starting with shoes, very lightweight shoes, so that's okay. I mean, these are like the foamy kind, just very lightweight. Also, my battery's dying, but that's okay. So just flip-flops, men's flip-flops. And these look to be like they've barely, if ever, been worn, so that's good. Size US 11. So I'm sure I could get probably 10 bucks for these. And I don't know comps, so I'm gonna have to look them up, but these are just guesstimates. Another NFL item. Arizona this time. All right, so Arizona Cardinals. I'm guessing I mean, it's a little raggedy. It's not raggedy, it's just, I mean, it's not new. Like the other jersey from the last box was definitely just felt more new. This has been worn. So, you know, maybe $6, $6 to 10 bucks for that. Let's see. No brand? Nope, there's just no brand. Okay, so I've looked at, oh, there's a new tag, but there's no brand anywhere. Okay, so this is like some cheap, this is like a nothing brand. It just says fashion on it. So these I probably won't even sell. I do have a donate pile that I've started that's in my shed. So when the thrift stores open up again and I'm going again, I can just donate stuff. So that's something I won't even waste my time trying to sell. All right, Vineyard Vines. Little button front shirt. Seems to be in pretty good condition. And it does have a little bit of a smell, but that's fine. It's cotton, it's washable. Oh, this is not button front, this is button down. So I try to clarify correctly these days. Okay, so it looks like some bulkier items. So it's gonna be like another box. Okay, Eddie Bauer. A tall medium. It's just a little pullover sweater, quarter zip. It's nice. Let's see. Okay, new with tags, Tommy, size 33, straight. And are these men's or women's? Do you have something to compare to? Oh, interesting. There is a Velcro. That's interesting. 33 waist. I feel like these might be women's. I'll look. But this is not gonna get me too much money, but they're new, and yeah, so, you know, maybe 15 bucks. All right, another Tommy item. This is also new. All right, I'm down. XL, yeah. So again, I don't pick up Tommy, so I don't know the comps, but I could probably get maybe 10 to 15 bucks for that. This is already better than the second box, but not quite as good as that first box. Okay, NHL. The Penguins. Where are the Penguins? No idea. Yeah, no idea. Let's see. This is, ooh, 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 ooh. All right. Okay. All right. Lululemon. I think this is women's. I know I just made some very strange sounds. This is a size large, and this is in like really good condition. Okay, Boo, I can't have your, okay, thank you. Full zip, pockets. I don't know the style. Has the pull tag. It just feels like really good condition. It's a hoodie. Woo! All right. This is unfortunately probably something I could wear. Maybe not over the oversized sweatshirt I'm wearing right now, but yeah, I think this is women's. Is the arms. Oh man, that's a bummer. I don't need it. Oh, maybe it is men's. I don't know. I'll look at the style. But yeah, awesome. All right, this might be the best box so far. I don't mean, the first box was double the size, so that's an unfair advantage. But yeah, just really great condition. So awesome. Okay. You know, it's like thrifting and you're like, oh, yay, I would definitely pick that up. Okay, Rogue. This is either a beer or CrossFit. It can be both, but I don't know what this is for, this t-shirt is for specifically. But Rogue is a beer brand and also a brand for CrossFit. So, but it's like a good t-shirt, doesn't feel like it's been worn. So I'm sure I can get a few dollars for it. Let's see. The Endless Summer. What tag is this? What brand is this? Mad Engine. Okay, so this is this is like a movie. I think it's like a movie tee, but it's new with tags, and the original price was $14.99. So I might be able to. I can't see a brand easily, but yeah. In Search of the Perfect Wave. Oh, I feel like I did watch this movie. This isn't that recent though. Yeah, I have seen this movie, or it's like a documentary, I think. And I think I actually really liked this. Actually, yeah. Actually, I think I saw that when I was on a surf trip. So, if I'm thinking of the right one. Okay, this is the last item. And it's Tommy Bahama, Relax. And awesome. Yeah, I picked up this brand. It's a kind of a flannel feel. So it's nice and warm. So not necessarily the right season, but okay, so how many did we get? We got the shorts that I'm not going to resell, that I'm not going to count because those are just going to get redonated. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm fine with that. That Lululemon, just because it's in such great condition and a good size, I should hopefully be able to get a decent amount. The 2 new Tommy items, the Nike flip-flops, everything seems to be in pretty good shape. The Vineyard Vines, kind of the funky button down. So, I mean, overall, there were some decent items in here. So I think for sure this box is better than the last box. And yeah, so this is kind of, I know that some people have left comments saying, you know, do you think you get a better box because you have a YouTube channel? The box that's sitting right here, that was the video from a couple days ago, was a pretty not so great box. This, having that Lululemon, really helps. So yeah, I don't know what I'm expecting for this, but I should definitely be able to get, I mean, I could do a rough guesstimate in case you're curious. The NFL, probably, you know, $6 for that. This Eddie Bauer, I should be able to get maybe 15 to 20. It's really nice pullover. It's also a tall size, which is good because some people just need the longer stuff. So maybe 20 for that. This Vineyard Vines, maybe 20, 25 since it's so funky. So where are we at? We're at 45, 50, maybe $10 for these. So 60. For these, I think they're women's, but I'll have to look. They could be men's. You know, 15. So that's 75. This, I'm thinking 10. So 85. This Penguins, $6. So let's just round down. 90. This Rogue, maybe $5, so 95. This one, the Endless Summer, maybe $5, so 100. This Tommy Bahama Relax, maybe 20, so 120. And then last but not least, the Lululemon. I'm guessing, unless, because it's in just such great condition, it's kind of just, it's very soft and warm. It has the pockets, it's got the hood, it's got the full zip. I'm gonna guess maybe 40 to 50 for this. So it's actually not that much higher comps than the last box. It's less stuff to list, but yeah. So more stuff that I would actually pick up in this box, I guess. So anyways, that's it. I will see you guys again for another video. I'm not sure what, but I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hit the thumbs up.